India's AMCA Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program receives a critical boost with CCS clearance, with the Tejas Mach 2 program acting as a technological bridge. Beyond upgrades to the fighter, Tejas Mach 2 serves as a testbed for advanced technologies for AMCA, including sensor fusion, electronic pilot, upgraded AESA radar, advanced weapon systems, and enhanced data recording capabilities. Chennai-based startup Agnikul prepares for a historic launch of their suborbital rocket, Agnibaan SOrTeD, powered by the innovative Agnikul engine. Scheduled between March 22nd and 28th, 2024, this marks India's second private space mission, validating critical systems and assessing launch capabilities for future endeavors. Big Bang Boom Solutions Private Limited, a Chennai-based startup, secures a 200 crore rupee contract to supply Vajra Sentinel anti-drone systems to Indian Air Force and Army. Combining soft and hard kill technologies, the system operates up to 10 kilometers. Utilizing AI for precise threat detection, it meets military standards and is scalable for future upgrades. IAF secures deal with HAL for RD-33 engines to extend MiG-29 fleet's lifespan. HAL to manufacture engines under transfer of technology license, boosting self-reliance. Contract emphasizes domestic production and strengthens India's air defense capabilities. Indian Navy to inspect ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems U-212-214 submarines for Project-75I. Submarines feature advanced design and air-independent propulsion. Collaboration with Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited aims to enhance indigenous submarine construction. Inspection outcome could lead to procurement, bolstering India's naval capabilities.